Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you my new listing at 215 West 98th Street, apartment 12C. Let's check it out. Enjoy this extraordinary, chic, and elegant 9-room duplex home that is just shy of 2,300 square feet. The gracious oversized foyer spills into this loft-styled great room with sleek, open, all-white chef's kitchen, complemented by a home office discreetly tucked away with a beautifully handcrafted, custom-made wall of stacking glass doors. The kitchen is surrounded by an abundance of custom-made cabinetries anchored by a gorgeous 9-foot-long Caesar stone countertop that has storage underneath it, but also it's perfect for chatting while you're cooking. The sculptural floating staircase leads you to your private primary suite downstairs, inclusive of your very own gym, or could be your library or den. This modern beauty is a rich blend of comfort and elegance, offering 4 potential bedrooms, 2 offices, 3 full bathrooms, multi-zone central air conditioning, tremendous California closets throughout. The entire home has a custom sound system that is perfect for movie night. Okay guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me. 215 West 98th Street, 12C, the Grammont. We are waiting to see you.